Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. Today, I'll show you how to log into your Kraken account using your mobile device quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, open the Kraken app on your mobile device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. On the login screen, enter your registered email address and password in the respective fields. Make sure the details are correct to avoid errors. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, open your Authenticator app, retrieve the code, and enter it on the Kraken app. Finally, tap Log in or Continue to access your Kraken account. You will be taken to your dashboard where you can manage your funds, trades, and account settings. And that's it. You are now logged into your Kraken account on mobile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials from Financify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.